Hey guys, welcome to the Rookie Handyman channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mount this simple bathroom shelf that we bought in IKEA, and it's very simple process, and we are going to use either this Einhell driver or we're gonna use this Bosch hammer drill. Now I'm not sure what do we need because we will be aiming right here in this line between two tiles. This shelf, the final product, it's going to look like this. Come here. It's going to look like this one right here. Now we have this installed for already I think 4 or 5 years, and as you can see it's pretty useful, and we want to make the exact same one in this corner right here. So right here in this corner we're gonna mount this one, and let's do it together. The instructions are very important. Right here in the instructions you will see how to mount everything, but the most important part right here is this section. As you can see right here in this section, we have exact measure from the edge of the wall to the hole that we need to drill inside of the wall. Now check out right here, we want to drill a hole right here in this line, and from the edge of the wall to this hole right here we need to have, as you can see right here, 126 millimeters. So like we said before, we need 126 millimeters. As you can see, this part right here, it's very thin and it's very flexible, so when we end up mounting it right here, we can move this part a little bit to the left and to the right, so yeah, the dimension doesn't have to be exact. This is just enough for our plug to get in. Just enough for our plug. We need to put this plug all the way inside, and the best way to do this is of course to hit it a little bit with something, but if you end up destroying it like this, that is also not a problem. Just hit it as much as possible and we will correct it. Now just take a snap off knife like this one right here and just cut off this excess. You see how easy it is to cut it off. Just like pull it out as much as possible, bend it against the wall surface like this, and just like, yeah, cut it off. Beautiful. Bracket goes right here on these holes, the screw goes right there inside, and then everything will go right here into this hole. I think we will manage it, and now just screw it inside just to hold it in place at the moment, not all the way fixed because we have other side to make also. Now, as you can see, here is the close example of how it looks. Screw is going right through in there, and what I have done, a mistake, I have not put this bracket, needs to go right here also, so we will do that next. So this is how the final product looks like. As you can see, you can store whatever you need right here, and we were able to do it using just this drill driver. Like, you don't need anything else, you just need to drill 2 holes right there. And today I had an amazing help from my 2 daughters, and they were the filmmakers today, and we did an amazing job. So check out the screen for more videos from us, and we will see you in the next one. Ciao!